friends, welcome back to my channel. Model Glam Her here. Please, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. So I want to show y'all this hair straight out the pack, what it looks like without any manipulation, without me adding any tint spray, without me adding any powder to the part. And there go those been here before hair. No, this hair is too long. What is going on here? So that's the headline right there. The hair back. Hairline, get those hairs out the way. The hairline on that side. The cap is very comfortable on my head. Don't fit too snug, but don't have a lot of room. If your head is bigger than 22.5 inches, so be mindful of that. This color is so pretty. And let me tell you who I'm wearing. Let me grab this stock card real quick so I can get into particulars. Just wanted to show you what's going on here without any manipulation, straight out the pack. The hair is very soft. It's like, I say it's mixed with like a little bit of yucky hair and a little bit of very little silkiness. Not too much, just a little, like right up in the top right here. But down here is texture. Up there, you know, little silky action going on right in there. Not experiencing any tangling right now. This unit is 30 inches long. So let me get that stock card for you. So here's that stock. Let me give you the particulars first. I'm just getting ahead of myself here. So this particular unit, this is by Sensationnel. It's from their Butta Lace collection. She's human hair and premium fiber blend, which means that when they say human hair, we're going to say it's a strand of human hair on this side, and it's a strand of human hair on that side, and maybe a human hair strand in the back. Trust and believe, it's not throughout the unit, so don't be deceived. So this is from their wet lace collection, you know, wet lace. So she's virtually HD lace, undetectable. And the style I have her in is Ocean Wave 30 inches. And I have her in the color T4/Chestnut Blonde. Chestnut blonde. Not all the way blonde, but chestnut. A very pretty brown blonde, you know. Those of you that may be scared to mess with some blonde, this is a good choice right here. So, that undetectable lace, see, there go that lace right there, it's undetectable. And on the back, it shows you like what a normal lace look like and what that Butta lace look like. That's that color on the front. What color is that she wearing? It has to be that chestnut brown. Yes, that's a chestnut brown. So very cute. Yeah, so let me cut this lace and style her and everything, and then we'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Sit tight. Friends, so we are back here. I have finished styling this unit. What you think of her? I like her. You don't have to do a whole lot of work with her. And if you see that yeah, I tried to do something with those been here before here. I'm not particularly a fan of them, but I utilize them every now and then, not all the time, but yeah. So anyway, so I did a little something with them. So yeah, so let me give you a 360. So this is her on the right, and this is her on the left, of course, and then this is her all the way in the back. That is her back, and this is how long she is, 30 inches. That's how long she is. She's not too bad. And please note that at the time, it probably get ready, after the tails probably get ready, and you probably can just cut her. Like, I don't know about cutting all that cute little chestnut blonde out there, because the chestnut blonde, yeah, yeah, you're defeating the purpose of the color, really. So I don't know. Just keep your paddle brush handy, honey. That's all I can say. Keep your paddle brush handy if you wear out. See, for me, it's just like, I ain't gonna be out all day or anything. I'll probably be out for an hour, 2 tops. 3 is like pushing it. So yeah, so if you're gonna like be out like all day for a extended period of time, keep your paddle brush in your purse, honey. So let's see, would I recommend her? Of course, heck yes, she's beautiful. It's an ocean wave. Yeah, real cute, real cute, real cute. I love her. Yeah. So right now I'm not experiencing any shedding. Just a little. I may have got a little from cutting the lace and everything, but besides that, I'm not experiencing any. And I didn't experience any flyaways. I didn't have to use the wax stick, so that's a plus. And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments. Yeah. Because if she was like a serpent unit, I would definitely tell you she was a serpent. Say, honey, don't buy, don't buy, don't buy, don't buy. But for the most part, I'm not experiencing any, you know, I'm definitely not experiencing any tangles, and no shedding so far, which is good. So I'm here for the color. So I don't know about cutting those ends. Be cutting out all that cute little, you know, chestnut blonde. And just leave the brown up in there, because the chestnut is just at the end. Yeah, so I have to really think about that. Yeah, you can always like boil when your units start to get old and stuff like that, not doing what they're supposed to, just give them a you know, I'm trying to think of what you call it. It's some type of bath that you give those synthetic units. I know you boil them in hot water. Put them in boiling hot water. You don't necessarily boil it, but dip it in boiling hot water for probably like for 30 minutes. Use some downy. Yeah, use some downy. Couldn't think of it. Use some downy, but it was another term I was looking for to tell you what kind of bath it's called, to bring your units back to life and make them smell real good and all that type of stuff. If I find a video, I will link it down there. And it's on Nicole Sanders. She do Epic Shea. She the one who reviewed that, put that on her YouTube channel and things like that. She be giving all the wig tea. If you're not a member of the Wig Slayers group on Facebook, please hit us up. At Wig Slayers, we have like 3. It's wigs. The main group is Wig Slayers, and then the selling group where you can go. Anybody can sell wigs, not just wig makers. You can sell the wig. You like if you like me, I sell wigs in there. Like, cause I have so many units. I have like over 500 units one of these days when I get my mind together, I'm gonna have a wig sale over there. So it's called Wig Slayers Outlet, which pretty soon is gonna be open up to other things. So stay tuned for that. And then we have the subscription group, which is called Wig Slayers Unlimited / exclusive. So it's a exclusive community, and it costs for $5 a month, and you get so much more out of that group. So you know, like coupon codes for different websites and all that type of stuff. So check us out. We over there on Facebook. So I ain't gonna hold y'all here no longer. I done been here longer than I needed to be, because when I was doing those voiceovers, my stuff was wrapped in 2 to 3 minutes. So I done went up 6 minutes. So hey, let me get up off of here, because I got other footage to add to this review, and it's gonna be over 6 minutes, and I haven't even talked on the video in so long. So I guess that's why I done went over it. I'm rambling. So I'm about to end this video. Thank y'all for your continued support, and I'll see y'all soon on my next upload. Continue to stay safe, and I will see y'all soon. Smooches. Bye bye.